Okay guys, now let's see how we can create comping takes. Comping takes is very useful because sometimes we may record something but we need to take several recordings. For instance, if you are recording a solo or maybe a singer and you want to take the best parts of a recording and create a composite track. So in Reaper it's very simple to do this. The first thing we need to do is to activate a track for recording. In this case it's my voice, and adjust the levels and all that we already know. So I'm going to record this first take. So let's record this. This is the first take, so this is the first one, number 1, in just a couple of seconds, and that's it. And so this is a normal take. If I play this, this is the first take, so this is the first one, number 1. Okay, so no problem. Then we only need to make a new take over this one, so I will activate this and hit record again. So Reaper is going to record over this one and automatically create a new take. So here goes. This is the second take, take number 2, take number 2. Okay, there you go. And as you can see, we have 2 different takes. Let's make a third one, okay? So I am going to record again. Take number 3, this is the third take of vocals. And there we have it. As you can see, Reaper has created 3 different takes. And if you want to hear any of them, you just need to click on them. So for instance, in this case, I hit play. This is the second. It's selected the second one. So this is the first one. The first one. This is the third. Okay. Take. This is the second. This is the first take. And you can create your composite track. Now, how to edit it? Okay. Let's say I want to take this part from the first take. So what you need to do is to select the take and press the S key to split and create split points. For instance, I'm going to split here, the second take. And the third one, let's say something here maybe. Okay, so in this way, you can activate the text you want to hear. For example, here I'm going to use the second here and the third here. So these 3 takes are going to be sounding. Let's hear them. This is the first take, take number 2, take of vocals. Okay, let's change this and do this. Take number 3, this is the third, number 2. Okay, so it's the first, the third, and the second. And pretty much that's it. If you need to make some adjustments, you just come on the edge, take your mouse here, and you can adjust the different takes. Of course, this is just a random talk, but for real content, it's going to be so much easier. Once you have decided or finished your edits, then you just need to select all the pieces with pressing the Shift key, holding the Shift key down, and select the pieces, and then you right-click here, and you have glue items. So it's going to glue my selected items and create a new audio file with them. This is the first take, number 3, this is the third, number 2. Okay, first, the third, and number 2. And that's it. You can, of course, you can delete everything that you don't want, in this case, these little pieces, but there you have it, guys. It's really easy and very convenient to work different takes with Reaper.